George, hindi ko nakita kasi agad sila, Tita Ruth. Binilin ko na lang kay Rico na hanapin si...
Mrs. Palacios, what's happening?
Sumasakit yung tiyan ko. George, why are you bleeding? Huh? I see blood in your hands. Why are you bleeding? Hindi ko alam.
Anong drama na naman to? Arrest that woman, dalhin niyo siya sa presinto. Now!
Stop it! Maawa naman kayo kay George. And you detectives, can we just postpone her interview? Hindi naman niya kayo tatakasan eh. I just need to take her to the hospital.
Kasamahan namin kayo.
Let's go, let's go. Gosh.
How are you feeling, Mrs. Palacios?
Medyo nangihina pa rin po't nahihilo.
Well, your blood chem results came in, and luckily, everything seems normal. Nasobran lang siguro kayo sa stress, kaya kayo dinugo.
Pwede na po ba akong umuwi?
Yes, pwede. Magre-reseta lang ako ng mga gamot, and kailangan nyo itong inumin lahat para mas kumapit si baby.
Baby?
Yes, your baby. Hindi ba alam, Mrs. Palacios? Buntis ho kayo.
Dok, hindi po ako buntis. Ang sabi po ng fertility doctor ko, malabo na po na mabuntis ako.
Malabo, pero hindi imposible. Nag-spotting ho kayo, kaya kayo dinugo.
No, Doc, hindi po totoo. Please tell me you're joking.
Hindi ho ako nagbibiro. Nurse? Look. It says here that you are 10 weeks pregnant.
I'm pregnant? Doc, can I keep this?
Yes, sure. I'll go ahead. Congratulations.
I'm really sorry, Mrs. Palacios. But it will take a miracle for you to bear a child.